Beautiful 1-acre lot nestled with spring-fed creek. Hardwood and tile. Kitchen, granite tile counters, eat-in area, gas range, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher. Walk-in pantry. Large laundry room, washer and dryer remain. 2 dens down, one with a wood-burning fireplace, large bay window, coffer ceiling. The second den is large enough for a master suite. Terminix zipper hood, insulation contains Damascus dirt replace in 2016, floored attic storage. Front and back doors have Anderson glass doors with drop-down screens. 4 large bedrooms up, all with ceiling fans. Master has 2 large walk-in closets. 2022 a new roof, wind turbines and gutters with screens. Aggregate front porch.